Introduction. Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're diving into one of the most iconic cars of all time, the Nissan R34 Skyline. Known for its timeless design, immense power, and unforgettable presence, this car has a cult following. Let's take a closer look at what makes the R34 a true legend. The front of the Nissan R34 features a bold and aggressive stance, with a wide grille and sharp, angular headlights that give it a menacing look. Exterior design. The Nissan R34 Skyline is all about sleek, aerodynamic lines that emphasize both style and performance. Its smooth curves and muscular fenders make it stand out on the road. The rear spoiler, combined with its wide stance, enhances its aggressive appearance while keeping the design purposeful and refined. Interior design. Inside, the R34 offers a perfect blend of performance-focused features and comfort. The dashboard layout is simple yet functional, with clear instrumentation, supportive sports seats, and a driver-centric cockpit. The cabin's materials are top-notch, with leather accents and a sporty feel that matches its exterior. Market position and price. The Nissan R34 Skyline sits in the performance car segment, having gained a legendary status due to its connection to motorsports and pop culture, especially with its role in the Fast and Furious franchise. Prices for an R34, especially the GT-R variant, can range anywhere from $30,000 to over $100,000 depending on condition, mileage, and modifications. Despite its age, it continues to hold its value due to its iconic reputation and loyal fanbase. Performance. Under the hood, the Nissan R34 is powered by the RB260 ATTESA engine, a 2.6-liter twin-turbocharged inline-six. It delivers around 280 horsepower, providing thrilling acceleration and top-tier handling. Combined with its advanced AWD system, the R34 offers exceptional performance on both the streets and the track, making it a true driving machine. Thanks for watching. More updates. Subscribe my YouTube channel, like, share, comment and press bell icon.